What's up, quarantine queens? I'm back with your video to show you how I do quarantine nails at home, doing the fill-in. Now, first, I'm going to show you my nails. All right, I've already beginning to take some of the acrylic and some of the nail color off. May add a little bit more sprinkle to that. All it is the same color, but with a little bit more shimmer, you know what I'm saying, to keep it live and popping. So, I'm going to show you what I use to get my nails done. First thing I go for is I got to have me a nail drill. The nail drill that I have, this came from wish.com. It was pretty cheap. I think it was no more than $20. And then I think this was like free with shipping, which comes with all the nail bits, or it came with it. I don't remember. But whatever the case is, really, really cheap. Comes in through the mail. If you want to, you can go to Family Dollar or Dollar General, or most of your local stores can sell you a battery operated one. I just so happen to have one that has to have a charger unplugged into the wall, and it seems to work all right for me. Let's see. Also, this is my nail kit. It's not brand new because I've been doing this for a while, but I use Kiss, and it's a brush on nail kit. You can find it like Family Dollar or Dollar General. I think it's anywhere between $4 to $6 just for the kit. So with the kit includes the brush on gel, the activator, and then it also includes the dip powder. Then I also have like a brush that I also use to brush on, just brush off the excess powder. And it's just a little dollar store brush, little paintbrush or whatever. So now that I went over my supplies outside of the nail polish, which you'll see, these are the color that I'm going to use and the nail design that I will use for the video. So I'm just giving you a brief intro of what's going on. You're going to see me change cameras because the camera quality in this one is just not the best, but I'm going to use my Canon camera to finish the rest of the filming. So I'll see you on the other side, and I'll start my tutorial. Thank you. Quarantine Queens, I'm back and I'm going to show you the results from actually doing my fill-in. So, these are my nails. Okay. And you don't have to be perfect. That's one thing, that's the misconception that most people think you have to have. Because if you are actually like drilling it down and it don't look all that great, or if you're actually, you know what I'm saying, looking at the results after you put the powder on there and it doesn't seem perfect, well, that's fine. You know what? It always works out. Use a dark colored or a really bold color that's not going to be transparent on your nails. And then, you know what I'm saying, you always add a little sparkly. You feel me? And, you know what I'm saying, that's how you doctor up your mistake. But overall, I think that I did okay. So let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe.